Hi class, here's a quick video on how to type math into Gradescope. This is specifically for the quizzes that I will be assigning weekly. So I'm going to go to assignments because that's where I find it easiest to find things, although modules is also a perfectly good place. You can go to modules if you wanted to. It's going to take a minute, and then go down to module 0 where there is quiz 0. And then I'm going to load quiz 0, typing math in Gradescope in a new window. So I'm going to start the assignment. So notice the quizzes do have a maximum amount of time permitted. This one I gave a lot of time. It shouldn't take that long, but it takes a minute to kind of use this stuff. So I'm going to start the assignment. Once I start it, I do have an amount of time I have to finish it. So all of this assignment is just kind of figuring out how to write stuff in Gradescope. So when you're typing math, if you just type it like this, like y equals mx plus b, that's fine. But it doesn't look so nice. What you want to do always when you're typing math is you want to put double dollar signs on either side. And then if you click off, oh, it looks pretty. Same deal here. Double dollar sign, y equals 2x minus 5, double dollar sign. Click off, it looks nice. Here, I want y equals 2/3 x plus 4. So here's the not quite right way of doing it. So again, let's say I forgot the double dollar signs. Plus 4. I mean, it kind of gets the point across, but it doesn't look so hot. If I put it in double dollar signs, oops, don't hit return. I mean, return's fine, but like I want to click off. It doesn't look exactly like that. So the way you actually get a fraction to look like a nice horizontal dividing line instead of this like slashy one here is to do the following. So instead of 2 slash 3, what I want is the command backslash frac, so backslash frac, and then open brace, close brace, open brace, close brace. In the first open close brace, you want the numerator. In the second open close brace, you want the denominator. And then if you click off, it's pretty. Here we have some exponents. So again, double dollar sign. I want y equal to a times x to the second. Use the little caret symbol, which is the shift of the 6 button to get exponents, plus bx plus c, and then close it with a double dollar sign. If you forget to close it with a double dollar sign, it just looks like that. But if you get the double dollar sign there, it looks nice. Same deal here. Y equals 2x to the power of, again, that's the little caret symbol. Second plus 5x minus 6, double dollar sign. More of this down here. So here's the standard circle for a standard equation for a circle. Parentheses x minus h parentheses to the second plus parentheses y minus k close parentheses to the second equal to radius to the second. Now that is a pretty readable thing generally, but if you put the double dollar signs around it, it's actually going to look nice and mathy. Click off. Awesome. I'll skip a couple. Let's do this one. So 3 to the 4th equals 81. No big deal, right? You can write 3 to the 4th equals 81. And it looks nice. 2 to the 10th equals 124. I'm going to make a mistake here. 2 to the 10th equals 1024. Oh, that doesn't look right. It looks like 2 to the 1st times 0. So when you have anything in an exponent that is more than just one single character, you have to put braces around it. So I really want 2 to the open brace, 10, close brace. And now it's going to look like I want. So for a superscript or an exponent, you want the little caret symbol. And then for this log with a subscript of a 3 or a base 3, you do, so first when you're ever writing like a function like log or a trig function, you need a backslash, log. And then I want base, I'm going to do underscore 3. And then I want that in parentheses. I actually don't need the parentheses there. I can just type 81 equals 4. And it's going to look like this. But if you need parentheses for some reason, you can put parentheses like that. So that is just a brief kind of overview of how to do this sort of thing where you're typing math in your Gradescope. I will give further tutorial videos when things get more complicated. It won't get too complicated, but I just want to kind of make sure you are aware of how to do this because it is kind of a useful skill to have. So then I would submit my thing, I would be like, yeah. Oh, I didn't give an answer for question 1.7. I might go back and do that. Right, so I might be like, I want to resubmit. So I go back and actually type in my answer. And then I click off it and like, yeah, it looks good. Okay, so then I submit and view. Got answers for everything. All right, I'm happy about that. And I'm done. I've submitted, so I don't have to actually, you don't want to click anything else after that.